Hello students, how are you? Good afternoon. I hope you are staying at home. Stay home, stay safe. Clear? Okay. So today I am here to teaching you maths. Okay? Which subject? Maths. Okay? And we continue the same chapter, that is chapter 2. Okay? What we are doing? We are doing chapter 2. And what is the name of that chapter? You remembered or not? No? Yes. What is the name of that chapter? Numbers up to 10. What is the name of that chapter? Numbers up to 10. You know what numbers up to 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay. So, our today's topic is one more than and one less than. Okay. What is our today's topic? The topic is given on page number 25. Okay. All of you take out your books, your copy, notebook, your compass box. Okay. All of you have? Okay. Now open page number 25. Which page you have to open? You have to open page 25. Okay. Today we will do the questions or exercise that is given on page number 25. Okay. So today's topic, first topic is one more than. Okay. What is our today's topic? One more than. What is the meaning of more? You know what is the meaning of more? More means jada. One more means one jada. Okay. For example, if you are having 3 chocolates. How many chocolates? 3 chocolates. 3 toffees you are having and your mother give you one more chocolate. How many? Your mother gives you one more chocolate. Okay. Just now how many you are having? You are having 3 chocolate. 1, 2 and 3. Okay. And your mother gives you one more chocolate. So now how many chocolates you are having? 1, 2, 3 and one more, that means 4. Okay. So one more means you are adding 1. Okay. One more means you are adding 1. Okay. So there are some questions that are, okay, one more example. If suppose you are having 5 balls. How many balls you are having? Or having 5 mangoes. Suppose you are having 5 mangoes. Okay. How many mangoes you are having? 5. Okay. If your little brother, younger brothers gives you one more mango, then how many you are having now? 6. Okay. If your father also gives you one more mango, then how many it becomes? You are having how many mangoes? 7. So one more means you are adding 1. You are adding 1. You are doing plus 1 to the number given. Okay. So there are some questions given on page number 25. First we will revise these questions. Okay. And those questions are solved. See, so many. What is this picture? Which picture is this? This is a picture of a rocket. All of you have your books? Have you opened page number 25? Open page number 25. Page number 25, open. Okay. So many rockets are there. Are you able to see the rockets? Yes. Now let's read these rockets one by one. Okay. What we are going to do? We are going to read. Only we have to read. Okay. And understood. We have to understood that what is given, what is written in that rockets. Okay. Now see the first rocket. What is given? One more than one. One more than one means, what is the meaning of? No need to write, only you have to see. Okay, no need to write anything. One more than one. Then it become, what it become? It become 2. One more, matlab ek jada. Ek jada. Kisse jada? More than 1. That means 1. That means 1 plus 1, it becomes 2. Okay, now see the second. One more than 2. One more. Okay. So again one more. That means you have to add 1. One more means you have to add 1. अब किस में ऐड करना है? Now we have to write that number. What is written here? One more than 2. What I am reading? I am reading this, the sentence written on the green part, middle part, green color दिख रहा है? Are you able to see the green color in the rocket? Yes, that part I am reading. Okay, one more than two. So one more. किसमें से one more? Two में से. That means one more than two. So two plus one is three. So three is written here. Yes. Now next, one more than three. One more. That means you have to add one. One more than three. That means three plus one. And what is the answer here? 4. Now see next. One more than 4. One more than 4. This is one more than 4. That means you have to add, you have to plus 1 in 4. Then 4 plus 1 will be, what will become? 5. Okay. Now next. One more than 5. One more than 5. That means you have to add plus 1 in 5. So 5 plus 1 will become 6. Okay. One more question is given. The first rocket. See what is written there? One more than 0. One more than 0. If you are having nothing in your hand. Okay. If you are having, your hand is empty. Suppose see this hand is empty. Okay. Now if one ma'am give me one pen. Okay. Give me one pen, ma'am. Okay, she gives me one pen. Now how many pen I am having? 1. Okay. So 0 more than 1. So 0 plus 1 becomes 1. Any number added to 0 will give you the same number. 0, 1 plus 1 will be 1. 0 plus 2 will be 2. Okay. Now see. We will solve the exercise that is given. And you have to write, you have to copy that exercise from the board. I am writing here and you also write here, okay, in your copy. So, what I am writing just now, all of you copy in your notebook. First you write this heading, one more than. What heading you have to write? Write 1, O-N-E 1, M-O-R-E more, T-H-A-N then. This is your today's heading. Okay, write one more than. O-N-E 1, M-O-R-E more, T-H-A-N then. Okay, write the heading first, then write question. Write question. You have to write also and you have to understand also. Okay, writing and understanding. What I am explaining, you have to listen carefully. Okay, you have to listen carefully what I am explaining and write also. You have to do two works simultaneously. एक ही साथ आपको दो काम करने. Okay, you have to write also and you have to listen also. Okay, now see what question you have to write. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the I hope all the students understood the cursive writing, because here I am writing in cursive. Okay, all of you understand the cursive writing, so write in cursive writing. Okay, write in cursive. Now see first what is written here? It is these questions I am writing. Okay, see, these are the questions that I am writing on the board. 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is the statement. So first you have to convert this statement in the symbol and numeric form, and then you have to write the answer here. Okay, now see first what is the question. 1 more than 1 more than 6. Okay, so what is 1 more than 6? So 6 plus 1. These two are blank. Okay, and what is the answer of 6 plus 1? 7. What is the answer of 6 plus 1? 7. Okay, the 7 is given here. 7. Now second. What is the second? 1 more than 7. 1 more than 7. 1 more than 7. That means you have to add 1 in 7. You have to plus 1 in 7. So 7 plus 1 will become, what will become? 8. Very good. Now you are understand. Okay, next. 1 more than 8. 1 more than 8. 1 more than 8. That means 8 plus 1. And 8 plus 1 will become 9. 8 plus 1 will become 9. Very good. Now next. Fourth. Next is fourth. What is that question? 1 more than 9. 1 more than 9. So, how do you write 1 more than 9? 1 more than 9 means you have to add 1. You have to plus 1. In which number? 9. You have to plus 1. You have to plus 1 in 9. So, what you will get? 9 plus 1 is 10. Okay? 9 plus 1 is 10. Okay, first you write this, you copy this, then again I will explain you. Okay? So, first you copy these 4 sentences in your notebook and then again I will explain you all the questions. So, write neatly, write in good handwriting. Leave one line after writing one question. If you have written this one, then leave one box. You are writing in box, maths copy, you are having box like copy, number of box. So, leave one box and then write second. Okay, so you have to leave one box in between, so that it will be clear to you. And the students, those who are not writing fast, what they will do? They will write this. They will write this fill in the blanks. They will fill this fill in the blanks in the book. Okay, the blanks is given. So they write all the answer in the book and they copy it afterwards. Okay, but you have to write this in your book. Sorry, in your notebook. You have to write this in your notebook. First you write in your book. Those who are not writing fast, writing slowly. Okay, so what you will do? You will first write the answers, write this answer in your book. Okay, then afterwards you copy from the book in your notebook. Okay. Okay, again I will explain you these questions. Okay, now see on the board, all of you. What is this question? 1 more than 6. 1 more means 1, you have to add 1. That means you have to add 1. Then 6. In which number you have to add 1? In 6. That means how do you write it as? 6 plus 1. And 6 plus 1 is 7. 6 plus 1. So take out 6 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 1 more. How many it become? This is 5, 6 and 7. So 7 will be here. Now see the next question. What is the next question? 1 more than 7. 1 more than 7. That means you have to plus 1 in 7. You have to write 7 plus 1. Okay. What you have to write? You have to add 1 in 7. 1 more than 7 means 7 plus 1. So what is the meaning of 7 plus 1? 7 plus 1 is 8. So here is 8. Now see. 1 more than 8. 1 more than 8. That means you have to add 1. You have to plus 1. In which number? 8. Okay, that means how do you write it as? We write it as 8 plus 1, and 8 plus 1 is 9. Now see, next question. What is the next question? The next question is 1 more than 9. What is the next question? Next question is 1 more than 9. That means you have to write 9 plus 1. 9 plus 1, and it will become 1 0 10. It will become 1 0 10. Write fast, those who are writing. Write fast. Okay, written, all of you have written? Okay, may I rub this? May I rub this? Okay, now the next topic. The next topic, okay? The next topic. Okay, the next topic, and that topic is given on page number 26 in your maths book. Okay, which page number? Page number 26. Page 26. Okay, and what is the name of that topic? The name of that topic is 1 less than. What is the name of the topic? 1, O-N-E, 1, L-E-S-S, less than. Okay, what is the meaning of more? More means ज़्यादा. That means when there is something more, in that case what we will do? We will do plus. Okay, in case of more we do plus, we do addition. Then in case of less, so what is the meaning of less? Less means कम करना. More means ज़्यादा, so less means कम. So less means in more questions what we have done? We added 1. In this question we subtract 1. We have to less the number. Okay, suppose I am having 2 pens. Just now see how many pens are there in my hand? 2 pens. Okay, suppose I am having 2 pen and one ma'am come and wants 1 pen. Suppose Bhatia ma'am wants 1 pen. Bhatia ma'am, take this pen. Okay. Now she has taken my pen. Okay. Now how many pen is there? Only 1. Why? Because I have given 1 pen to Bhatia ma'am. Because she needs 1 pen. So she has taken from me. So that means I have given my 1 pen to her. So how many pens is left with me? Only 1. Okay. So first I was having 2 pen and 1 pen I have given to ma'am. That means 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1. How much? 1. Okay. Okay. One more example. Suppose you are having 2 lollipops, 3 lollipops. This is 1 lollipop. This is 2nd lollipop and this is 3rd lollipop. Okay. Suppose you are having 3 lollipops. Huh? And 1 lollipop you give, and 1 lollipop you gives to your younger brother or sister. Suppose आपकी कोई छोटा भाई या छोटी बहन है ना, उसने आपसे एक लॉलीपॉप ले ली. ओके, पहले आपके पास कितनी थी? हाउ मेनी यू आर हैविंग? You are having 3, but 1 lollipop you gave to your younger brother or younger sister. Okay, that means पहले 3 थी, अब उसमें से 1 आपने दे दी, so 1 less हो गया. Okay, so how much now you are having? Now you are having only 2 chocolates, 2 lollipops. Okay, so in less one before number you are getting and in more after number you are getting. Okay, understood the concept of less? Now see, some questions are given. First we will solve the questions that is given on page number 26. All of you have pencil, so you write, you fill these boxes that is given, and this is your homework. Okay, this is your homework. First, just now you write it, and afterwards you write these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in your homework. So I am writing here what is your homework. Okay, maths homework. Today's maths homework is that is given on page number 26. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 questions. Okay, how many questions? 6 questions. जो भी अपन करेंगे, that we are doing just now. Okay, that we are solving just now. Those questions you have to do. And the next question I will do on the board and you copy in your notebook. But these 6 questions help him to find the number of lollies each time he gobbles one. Okay, so this question just now we are doing. Okay, this question just now we are doing, and this is your homework. You have to copy these questions afterwards. Okay, now see, which are the homework? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is your homework. These 6 questions are your homework. Which 6 questions? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So let us solve these questions first. You write the answers in these boxes. Take your pencil. Okay, now see what is the question written. Help him to find the number of lollies. You have to find the number of lollies. Lollies means lollipop. Okay, each time he gobbles one. Gobbles one means each time. हर एक बार उसने अपनी एक एक लॉलीपॉप खा ली. Okay, now how much lollipop left with him? You have to write. Okay, so see, how many lollipop he is having? He is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is written here? 1 less than 6. That means how much lollipop he is having? He is having 6 lollipops. Okay, and if he ate 1 lollipop, how many lollipop he gobbles? कितनी खा लिया उसने? 1. So 6 minus 1 will become 5. Okay, now see the second question. 1 less than 5. How many lollipops he is having? 5. Okay, then he ate 1 lollipop. Then 5 minus 1 is 4. So write here 4 in this box. All of you write 4 in this box. Write 4. 4. Here write 4. All of you write here 4. Okay, written. Now see second. 1 less than 4. Okay, so he is having how many lollipops? 4 lollipops. And how many lollipops he gobbles? 1. That means 4 minus 1. So 4 minus 1 will become 3. So write 3 in this box. What you have to write here? You have to write here 3. Written? Okay, now see the next question. 1 less than 3. 1 less than 3. That means how many lollipop he is having? 3. And how many lollipop he gobbles? He gobbles 1 lollipop. That means 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 will become 2. So write here 2. Write here 2. Very good. Now see the next question. 1 less than 2. 1 less than 2. How many lollipop he is having? 2. How many lollipop? 2. And he gobbles 1. मतलब एक खा लिया. 2 minus 1 will be 1. So write here 1. Okay. Now see next. 1 less than 1. एक ही बची थी और वो भी खा ली. So 1 minus 1 will be 0. तो कितनी बची? एक भी नहीं. Nothing. So write here 0. Again I am repeating. Check your answers. What will come in this box? 5 minus 1. Write here 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. Write 3 in this box. Okay. 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. You have to write 2 in this box. Next question. 2 minus 1. You have to write 1 in this box. And last is 1 minus 1. That means 0. So you have to write 0 in this box. Okay. So these 6 questions is your homework. Just now you have written the answer in the book. Now do these questions in your notebook. Okay, so this is your homework. If you don't want to draw these pictures, don't draw. Okay, so write this line and this line, this line and this line. Clear? Now see the next question that you have to do along with me. Okay, मेरे साथ लिखना है अभी. Now what is your next heading? Write the next heading. One less than. All of you write. Write from new page, new heading, new page. Okay. Write one less than. Write one less than. One less than. One less than. Okay. Now write first question. Write the question. What is your question? Your question is fill in the blanks. What is your question? Fill in the blanks. You have to fill the blanks with numbers. Okay. You have to fill the blanks with numbers. Now A. Okay. What is written there? 1 less than 10. 1 less than 10. So what is the meaning of 1 less? That means you have to subtract 1. किसमें से subtract करना है? From 10. You have to subtract 1 from 10. You have to less 1 from 10. That means 10 minus 1. It will become 9. 10 minus 1 is 9. Okay, now next is B. What is that question? 1 less than 9. 1 less than 9. Okay, 1 less than 9. 1 less means you have to subtract 1. You have to subtract 1 from which number? From 9. You have to subtract 1. You have to less 1 from which number? 9. So 9 minus 1 will be which number? Say loudly. 8. Very good. 9 minus 1 is 8. Now see the next question. C. C. 1 less than 8. 1 less than 8. Okay. 1 less than 8. That means you have to subtract 1. You have to subtract 1. You have to minus 1. From which number? From 8. Okay. That means 8 minus 1. And 8 minus 1 is 7. 8 minus 1 is 7. Okay. Now the last question D. The last question D. 1 less than 7. 1 less than 7. Okay. 1 less than 7. That means you have to subtract 1. You have to less one number. From which number you have to less one number? You have to less one number from 7. That means 7 minus 1. That means 7 minus 1. And 7 minus 1 will be 7 minus 1 is 6. Okay. So write, all of you copy fast and write in good handwriting. Okay. And again I am repeating, the students, those who are writing slowly, who are not able to copy fast from the board, make the habit of writing fast. If they are not able still to copy these questions, so what they have to do? They have to write these answers, these fill in the blanks. They have to fill these answers in the book and afterwards they copy it in their notebook. Okay. Are you understood? अगर आप नहीं लिख पा रहे हैं तो what you have to do? You have to write these blank answers in your book. You write these answers in your book. You write the numbers, that is fill in the blank, and बाद में आप copy complete करेंगे. Okay, but make sure that these questions are in your notebook. Okay, what we are writing here, what I told you to copy from the board, all those content should be in your notebook. Okay, so write fast. Again I am explaining once again. Okay, So you write also and you listen also. Now see, what is the question? You have to, our topic is less than. 1 less than, that means you have to subtract 1. 1 less means you have to subtract 1, okay, from the given number. Now see, what is the first question? 1 less than 10. Our question is 1 less than 10. That means you have to subtract 1. You have to minus 1 from 10. So how you write it? We write it as 10 minus 1. So 10 minus 1. Take out your 10 fingers and subtract 1 finger. Less 1 finger. So how many fingers are left? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it will become 9. Now see, 1 less than 9. 1 less than 9. That means you have to subtract 1. You have to do 1 number less from 9. Okay. So how do you write it as? 9 minus 1. So 9 minus 1 will be 8. Very good. Now see the next question. 1 less than 8. 1 less than 8. That means you have to subtract 1. You have to less 1 number from which number? From 8. So how do you write it as? 8 minus 1. So 8 minus 1 is 7. Okay. Now the last question. What is the last question? 1 less than 7. That means you have to subtract 1 from 7. We write it as 7 minus 1. And 7 minus 1 is 6. Okay. I hope all of you have copied it. Okay. Now this is our today's work. Now we continue our next topic in our next lecture. Okay. Thank you.